Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I was in IKEA website and bought a rug. It was very beautiful on their website photo. It looked very beautiful. So I decided to do this unwrapping video to show you how it looks like. So if this is your type of video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and also click on that bell button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Enjoy watching. So that was my IKEA rug unwrapping video. Guys, hope you enjoyed watching. See you on the next one.